We all know the benefits that come from eating a healthy, balanced diet, but sometimes that's not always easy. Until now. This is Nutribullet, the original nutrient extractor. With the Nutribullet, you can now easily get your daily recommended fruits and vegetables in a fast, simple, and convenient way. Not by eating them, but by drinking them. The Nutribullet is a nutritional breakthrough designed for anyone looking to improve their overall health with nutrition. Here's how it works. First, add spinach for fiber, berries for antioxidants, and some banana for potassium. Then almonds and seeds for omega-3 oils. Add water and watch how the Nutribullet completely breaks everything down. Even the fiber, nuts, and seeds have been completely broken down, extracting all their essential nutrients, creating a smooth, delicious nutrient-packed smoothie that can literally transform your life. The secret is Nutribullet's 600-watt motor, combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the Nutribullet extractor blades, breaking down and pulverizing the stems, seeds, and skins, releasing the essential nutrients trapped inside, taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods, giving you the strength and energy you need for a full, active lifestyle, whatever your age. The Nutribullet comes with everything you'll need to get started on your path to health and wellness, including the supersized 24-ounce cup, perfect for everyday use, and ideal for making healthy dips, dressings, and sauces. The Nutribullet makes getting those vital nutrients fast, convenient, and you'll be amazed just how great it can make you feel. To get the most out of your life, you need to get the most out of your food. Nutribullet, the original superfood nutrient extractor.
Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations, and I'm checking out the Nutribullet. This is a personal blender for shakes, smoothies, food prep, and of course, frozen blending. This does a great job of frozen blending. It's 24 ounces, 600 watts, and I have mine in gray. You should definitely pick it up. With the dimensions of 11 by 6.85 by 12 inches, this thing is compact and powerful. It has the extractor blade, the cup, the lid, the lip ring, and of course a recipe book like only Nutribullet would provide. Great recipes, so many different options. Amy loves hers because she puts so many vegetables and sneaks them into my meals thanks to this Nutribullet. All right, so what can I tell you about it? First off, the design is so smart. It's simple and intuitive, and it makes the device easy for everyday use. Just push and blend, it's that easy. It also gives you nutrition in no time. Did you know that most smoothies can be made in under 60 seconds? Now you can fit healthful nutrition into your busiest day. It also cleans up like a dream. Simply twist off the blades, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups on the top racks of the dishwasher. That's healthy without any hassle. Only with Nutribullet. Meet the original Nutribullet, their compact yet powerful personal blender. Choose what goes in, every single ingredient, every single day. This is a great way to get all of your vegetables in one fell swoop. All right, now there's the Nutribullet, the Nutribullet Pro, the RX, and the blender combo. But this thing is absolutely perfect for everyday use. You're going to be using it time and time again, and mine has lasted me for years, and I have it on good authority that yours is going to last you for years as well. So my story is that I know I wasn't getting enough vegetables into my diet. Turns out you can't survive off of chicken tenders alone. So Amy started making me eat more vegetables. She would have me eat a good smoothie every day. Get my iron in with that spinach. Get me some cucumbers in there. Get me all my vitamin A, my vitamin B, my vitamin C, and my vitamin D all in one glass, plus that fiber and the antioxidants associated with all those good vegetables that she was putting in there. Nutribullet is one of the originators. They're a premier brand. They've been around for decades, and they care about their brand. Don't settle for some bullet that's the seals will break in a year, they'll bust out, the blades will get dull, and you'll get chunky stuff. Nutribullet cares about their products, cares about a high-quality product that's built to last. This thing is 600 watts of pure muscle. It's easy to clean. It won't stop working. It's easy to use every single day. It's highly recommended by thousands of people. It's very powerful. It's great for frozen foods, frozen fruits, and protein shakes. I personally use it a lot for my protein shakes. I'll take a little bit of ice, some almond milk, and some muscle milk. Put it in there. The rubber gasket's fantastic. Rubber gasket is fantastic. And again, it's super easy to use. You can even put a frozen banana in there, raw oats, flax seed oil, peanut butter, oat milk, blend it in there like a champ. I've used it for anything from oat milk to water to romaine lettuce. No problem getting everything to blend up swimmingly. All right, folks. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Go ahead and pick this up. You will not be disappointed. All right, thanks again for watching. I hope you got to see this thing up close and personal being used because it's fantastic. Adios, amigos.